Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you how to set up a Wlightbox Pro. This controller supports RGB, but for the purpose of this video we'll be using RGB. We're going to need our power source, our LED module, and some small screwdrivers. Our first step is to remove the cover by loosening these 4 screws. Now that the cover is off, we can take a closer look inside. We're going to begin by connecting our LED module to the controller. Insert your positive wire into the aperture under the second positive symbol. Red goes under R, green under G, and blue all the way over under B. Tighten the screws above where you inserted the wires to hold them in place. Now it's time to connect our power source. Insert your positive wire into the first opening, and then your negative wire into the first negative opening. Once again, tighten the screws to hold the wires in their places. Great! Our LEDs are on and shining bright. For help on controlling your lights, see our series of videos on the Blebox app. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this in the future.